welcome to the 3B Kids of Texas channel. Today we are at the Sierra Grande. Now you may be asking yourself, what is that? You might be surprised to find that it is a volcano in New Mexico. This volcano sits at 8,720 feet of elevation. The lava from this volcano spreads everywhere over 1,000 miles. Check it out next time you are in New Mexico. We are currently sitting on lava rocks from the volcano. And by the way, this is a dormant volcano, so we are all safe for now. Welcome to the center of the volcano. We're literally in the middle of a volcano. How comes that? And I got my super duper seats on. Now let's go to the top.
Okay.
Be sure to stop by the Volcano Museum, do your activities, pick up your ranger badge. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!